Another online order, mate. Customer ordered a set of wheels. Not bad, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, so anyway, yes, we do have an online store, autocraze.com.au. There's a lot of people that buy wheels and tyres online. We do ship Australia-wide, but the best part about it is we actually also pick up Australia-wide. This is a shout out to my man Nicholas, all the way from Point Cook, Victoria, 3030. He's so excited, been a big fan of us. Loves what we do and loves everything we do to the Hiluxes and Rangers and BT50s and Colorados and all those other utes. So he hit us up and said to us, can you auto craze my Hilux? And we did. So we're gonna come through and I'm gonna show you exactly what we've done to his Hilux. So we're starting off with the beautiful new 2021 Hamer bar. Sensor compatible, it's got the daytime running lights, fog lights and indicators. We also finished it off with a beautiful Bush Ranger light bar. This one here is connected to the high beams, and we also connected a roof bar onto the top of the actual platform. Yes, it is a wedge tail platform. We do support Australian made products. The same way we do support fat bars. Now fat bars make our snorkels, we just put the AutoCraze logo on it. We also done the Australian made 2-inch lift Dobinson with the Dobinson springs, but we managed to actually do it in the red. And we also wrapped it up with the one and only bad boy Nomad Sabbath Hyper Black. We've done 5 on this car, wrapped it up with the general AT3 tyres. We also done the weather shields, window tint, and this is something we've also introduced. This is a new thing here. Now what we've also done, we've got the black smoke tail lights. They finally finished off their LED, and we also got daytime running lights on them too. And one of my favorite things here is we've done the sports guard, which is the tub liner. Also another Australian company that we deal with, Bush Ranger. They also supply us winches, light bars, recovery gears, and all that stuff there. So Nicholas, I'm very, very grateful. Thank you very much, and shout out to all our people that watch us, subscribe to us, and all that stuff there. We didn't give a fuck where you are in Australia. Call us, we'll pick up the car directly and bring it here and we'll auto craze it. And trust me, no one does it better. So guys, please subscribe, hit us up, call us. I'm not gonna say the friendly team because we're just normal bunch of fucking lads. Give us a call. We will do any car, anywhere, anytime, anyhow. Thank you, mother functions. Like and subscribe.